Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can get help in the Speedtest application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the support button. And then click on the Speedtest help button. And as you can see, there are a bunch of questions concerning different topics. There are the most frequently asked questions listed. Also some general questions and guides and articles on different topics. So if you find a question that you're interested in, just click on that and you will get a very detailed explanation on everything that you're looking for. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.